have a bag of hot Cheetos, some ramen noodles, and flour. Today we're making 3 different types of fried chicken. One of the most important things to fried chicken is the sauce. In order to make the Raising Cane sauce, it's actually really easy. We're gonna start with a half a cup of mayo, about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, and the secret ingredient, the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. About 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. Oh, all right. And the best ingredient, about a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're just gonna give that a good mix. Before we get to frying the chicken, we want to tell you the sponsor of this video, which is Cook Unity. Cook Unity is the first chef-to-you meal delivery service, made up of over 70 chefs who believe that great food should be for everyone. They have 7 different dietary preferences, including vegan, gluten-free, and paleo. What we love about Cook Unity is the meals are delivered fully cooked, so all you have to do is heat them up. Also, their subscription is super flexible. You can pause, skip weeks, or cancel at any time. One of the meals Albert and I are eating tonight is this Korean flank steak rice bowl made by Esther Choi in Brooklyn, New York.
Wow, that was delicious.
Yeah,
amazing.
Go to cookunity.com/AlbertCanCook or click the link in the description and use the code AlbertCanCook50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals to try them out yourself. Here's the fun part, we're gonna be frying our chicken, but first we have to crush up our noodles and hot Cheetos. All right, we have all of our flavors crushed up and we put them in Ziploc bags to not dirty up any more of those dishes. Now we're just gonna go in with some garlic salt. If you guys don't have any of that, just use regular salt. We're gonna be adding garlic salt to all of the flavors. We need to egg wash our chicken, so we're just be cracking some eggs into a bag. Again, we're not using a bowl so we don't dirty up any dishes. We're gonna be using 3 different cuts of chicken: chicken thighs, chicken tenders, and chicken legs. In order to bread our chicken properly, we first wanna throw it into some flour, then into our egg wash, then we wanna bread it. This is gonna actually help it stick a lot better. There you have it, we have all of our chicken breaded. Now all there's left to do is just fry it up. And there we have it, fried chicken made 3 different ways: hot Cheeto, ramen, and original. Now we're gonna do a taste test to see which one's the best. First, we're gonna start with the original. Make sure to dip it in that sauce. Okay, cheers. Oh my God. I mean, you can't go wrong with original. It just has that flavor. Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna take another bite of this because it's actually delicious. Okay, the next one I'm excited about because it's the hot Cheetos. Cheers. This one was all right.
5.
Yeah, I give this a 5 out of 10. I mean, you can't really taste that hot Cheeto flavor in here so much, but there's still some spiciness that comes through. It's not bad, not my favorite. I still think original is winning. Last but not least, the ramen flavor. Cheers. Last but not least. Whoa, that is absolutely amazing.
Like chicken and chips.
Yeah, it's exactly like that. I mean, you have the texture of the ramen, the crunch of it is beautiful. And then the flavor of the ramen just adds a different layer to it. I say this might be the winner. Yeah. I think the ramen is the winner on this one, just because it adds that different texture, flavor. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.
We're gonna finish this.
Yeah.